Fix the storage station of the machine. Electrician shall check the circuit and install the patch cord. Check whether the voltage is stable. Connect the power supply after ensuring the voltage is stable. Installation of smoking machine. Cartridge storage location and installation. Secondary cartridge connection upper ink pipe. Install thermal sublimation ink. Check whether the pipeline is normal after installation. Whether the nozzle unpacking inspection is normal. Clean the cable interface. Keep contact in good condition. Installation of print head connected by flat cable. Print head position fixed installation. The line is fixed to prevent shaking. Enclosure protection installation. Installation of ink pipe extension pipe butt joint. Extension pipe installation. Installation of color pipe ink cartridge. Ink pipe pumping. Keep ink connected and reduce air. The ink is pumped and installed on the nozzle. Fix the ink pipe to prevent shaking. Waste ink storage location. Using a water bottle. Install the waste ink pipe. Network cable connection installation. Select special high temperature resistant materials. Installation materials on the back of the machine. Montaigne software typesetting pattern. And setting the paper size. Control panel software controls the machine. After correct parameter adjustment, start printing. After high temperature baking, bright colors of heat sublimation ink, it just shows up. Beautiful printing effect, bright pattern.